When it comes to the exterior of your home, doors play a significant role in both functionality and curb appeal. Over time, however, even the most durable doors begin to show signs of wear and tear. Whether it's due to age, environmental factors, or wear from everyday use, there are certain indications that it may be time to consider a door replacement. For homeowners in Manassas, ensuring your door remains efficient and visually appealing is essential. Here's a look at the top signs it's time to replace your door. Visible damage. One of the most obvious signs it's time for a door replacement is visible physical damage. Whether it's a cracked, warped, or dented door, these issues can not only affect the appearance of your home but also its overall security and insulation. A door that's been damaged severely may no longer seal properly, leaving your home vulnerable to drafts and even intruders. If the damage is beyond repair, investing in a replacement will help restore both the appearance and integrity of your home. Difficulty opening or closing. Over time, doors can become misaligned due to shifts in the foundation or general wear. If your door has become increasingly difficult to open or close, it's a sign that something's wrong. Doors that stick, scrape against the frame, or require excessive force to operate could be due to problems with the door frame or hinges. Not only is this inconvenient, but it could also be a sign of underlying issues that, if left unaddressed, might lead to more significant structural concerns. A door replacement can restore smooth functionality and prevent further damage. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. A door that doesn't fit properly or has worn-out weather stripping can cause drafts, which can make your home feel uncomfortable and increase your energy bills. If you notice your home feels colder than usual near the door, or you can feel air seeping in even when the door is closed, it's likely a sign that the door is no longer providing the insulation it once did. Replacing your door with a new, energy-efficient model can significantly improve your home's comfort level and reduce heating and cooling costs. Outdated appearance. The exterior appearance of your home plays a large role in creating curb appeal. If your door is outdated or simply no longer fits the aesthetic of your home, it can drag down the overall appearance of your property. Whether you're looking to modernize your home or refresh its style, a new door can instantly elevate the look of your entryway. With a wide range of materials, styles, and finishes available, a new door can complement your home's design while increasing its value. Security concerns. Your front door is a primary entry point to your home, so security should always be a priority. If your door is old, weakened, or compromised, it may no longer offer the level of protection your home needs. Signs that your door may no longer be secure include visible wear on the lock, weak hinges, or a door frame that's been damaged or cracked. A replacement door with modern, reinforced features will help ensure your home remains safe and secure, giving you peace of mind. Excessive maintenance costs. If you've noticed that you're regularly needing to repair or maintain your door, it might be a sign that it's nearing the end of its useful life. Doors that require frequent repairs or new hardware are often a sign that they are past their prime. Over time, the cost of maintaining an old door can add up, and replacing it with a new, low-maintenance option can save you both time and money in the long run. Noise issues. If you notice that external noise is becoming more noticeable inside your home, your door could be losing its ability to block sound effectively. This is particularly noticeable if you live near a busy street or in a high-traffic area. Older doors may lack the necessary insulation and soundproofing capabilities, allowing noise to seep through. Replacing your door with a newer model that includes better insulation or soundproofing can create a quieter and more peaceful environment in your home. Conclusion. If any of these signs resonate with you, it's time to consider a door replacement. Whether you're dealing with functional issues, aesthetics, or energy efficiency, replacing your door is an investment that can improve the overall comfort, security, and look of your home. For homeowners in Manassas, seeking professional help for door installation and replacement ensures you get the best results. Consult with a trusted provider to select the right door that matches your needs and your home's style. A new door can offer long-term benefits, from reduced energy bills to improved curb appeal, making it a worthwhile investment for your home.